In this video, we're going to be talking about XRP Ripple, the cryptocurrency with a business purpose. That's going to be my tag from here on out. In this video, I'm going to be looking at the chart. We're going to look at a piece of information that really positions XRP in a different light and kind of sheds some light on why this crypto is a little bit different than the other guys out there and it's more of a quote business cryptocurrency. We'll put some meat around that. And we'll also wrap up with a prediction. What is the cryptocurrency maybe going to be trading at the end of 2021, 2022, 23, etc., so that you can get an idea of what this thing may be doing later down the road. If you're new here, remember this video is for entertainment purposes only. I forgot what I was going to say there for a minute. My name is Austin Hilton. I'm a 30-plus year investor, and I have one goal in mind. That's to bring you information and content to help you make a better choice, better decision, and know and understand overall what's going on with your favorite cryptocurrencies. I've initiated coverage and starting to cover a ton of cryptocurrency here on my channel, releasing videos every single day, updating you on content, news, price predictions, you name it, around your favorite crypto. Currently covering XRP, Binance is coming, Ethereum coming, Bitcoin. I've got a ton of Dogecoin. I've even done some SafeMoon, some other ones. So if there's enough interest around a particular cryptocurrency, I'll be bringing you videos on it. So if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing and drop a like on this video if you get any value out of it. I would greatly appreciate it. It helps the channel, helps the video, helps me to help more people, all that kind of stuff. All right, so what's going on with XRP? It is doing okay. It's rising a little bit. I haven't looked at it this morning. Actually started recording. We're going to go look at it here in a minute and see what the chart looks like. But overall, it's done pretty well. It's definitely continuing to rise and go up. And I think it's going to continue to do that. And we'll look at what our price prediction is, and we'll take a look at this content. So let's go look now at what I got for you. I think you're going to like what I got. Here we go. All right, so you can see that currently we're trading at around $1.56. So down today around 1%, just a little bit over that. XRP, if you're not aware of this, is currently ranked as the number 4 overall cryptocurrency as rated by basically market cap. You can see their market cap is right there. And if we look at the chart, which is right down here, you can see that we spiked and peaked. It's hard to get right on it. We peaked at 369 on January 4th, almost immediately dropped down, and then continued to kind of trade and just be in this 17 to 20 cents right in here, and then just took off starting around November, and then continued to grow, and then really starting in kind of mid to end late March, really started to rise, peaked there at about $1.69, and we've dropped down a little bit, and now kind of at our current trading levels, again at the approximate $1.56 level. This is really where it's been since I've initiated coverage and been doing the XRP videos. And I think overall a little bit of volatility, not as much as I've seen in other coins and other tokens, not as much per se. I mean, you had a really pretty strong time here where we were really just sideways, not really doing much. A lot of people would say that this is right here, a lot of volatility. I don't really see it as that much. I think this is kind of moved around. Now, as all cryptocurrencies in this scenario, you're going to have that volatility. It's going to happen. You got to be cool with volatility in cryptocurrencies. I cover this. I say this in all my crypto videos. I consider kind of crypto investing kind of like I'm going to go to Vegas. Now, I don't mean it in a bad way. I own Bitcoin. I own Ethereum. I'm going to be buying some XRP in the very near future, buying some Doge as well. I'm cool with it because I'm going into it with what I say eyes wide open. I know fundamentally that there's a little bit more inherent risk in crypto than, say, in traditional stock investing. In that scenario, I consider it like I'm going to go to Vegas. If I'm going to put $500 in Vegas and go bet with it and go gamble with it, then there's a strong possibility I may lose my entire $500. I could gain a tremendous amount. I could win. I could gain more money, things of that nature. That's kind of how I view crypto. And I want to continue to keep saying that, and I will say that pretty much in all my videos, because I think that if you're thinking about getting into crypto, maybe putting some money into XRP, things of that nature, it needs to be money that you're okay with. Number one, riding the roller coaster. It's crazy. It can be a crazy ride, things like that, but you could lose the entire thing. I think if you're willing to buy and hold and just sit on the crypto and ride it long term, I think you're good. But if you're looking at kind of short-term trade and things like that, you pretty much got to know what the heck you're doing. All right. So let's take a look at this piece of content I've got for you, where basically kind of really does a really good job of solidifying and kind of honing in on the difference of what XRP is and Ripple is, of XRP Ripple related versus some of the other cryptos out there. And so I think that this one is kind of setting itself apart, for maybe some usefulness of this crypto. Okay, let's see. Again, if you don't know this, the crypto itself is XRP. It's marketed by a company called Ripple. They're almost interchangeable. XRP, Ripple, XRP. People that's how they refer to the token. It is, that we mentioned already, the largest crypto out there in terms of market cap. And here it is. We're kind of starting getting into kind of the difference of maybe what this of kind of clarifying, XRP compared to some of the other cryptocurrency out there. The ability to use XRP in the real world has made this cryptocurrency stand out, and the usefulness of its no fee, cross-border, and international payment tool has left this particular article, him intrigued. I actually agree with that from the standpoint of it is fundamentally different, than some of the other cryptocurrencies out there. It has a different purpose. And I thought that these two paragraphs right here did a really good job. If you're trying to kind of, how does XRP differ and all this kind of stuff, I think they do a very good job of kind of delineating and putting, again, kind of crypto into two buckets. So I'm going to read them almost exactly verbatim. Cryptocurrencies can generally be put into two buckets. On the first bucket is the end of the spectrum, where they're viewed as stores of value or hedges against the global fiat monetary system. Bitcoin is the clear winner in this regard. Okay, that should help you kind of clarify that, right? So on the other hand, the second bucket, so to speak, are cryptocurrencies designed for a certain purpose, whether that's smart contracts like Ethereum or XRP's international money transfer capabilities. That's that second bucket. And so that's the bucket that XRP, it is built with a specific mindset or a specific purpose, not mindset, which is international money transfer capabilities, no fee, cross-border, things like that, help facilitate that. Okay. So here's why they may be onto something with XRP. Again, it has a business first approach that's different than other crypto. Okay. Cryptocurrencies don't always necessarily turn value to shareholders in the same ways as business do. There are exchanges that now pay interest rates on crypto deposits, dividend yields. Intents purposes, these digital tokens aren't similar to dividend producing equities at all. They're really more akin to a digital version of gold. That said, XRP and a number of other cryptocurrencies help their owners because they are useful. Okay, so just remember that. Okay, the focus by Ripple on creating a cryptocurrency geared toward businesses should entice investors to buy XRP. Accordingly, this is one of the few crypto options that that could be interesting out there from that standpoint, because it's a business focused token. Okay, so it has real value because of this business facing scenario. Okay, it is volatile. We've already discussed that. Okay, again, I wouldn't borrow money, wouldn't bet the kids' college fund to get into that. I'm sure you're aware of this, and I did a video on this on one of the first Ripple videos I did. It's pretty common knowledge. Ripple has been entangled in a battle with the SEC. Accordingly, XRP has been delisted from Coinbase and other crypto exchanges. Now, that hasn't actually hurt the popularity of XRP Ripple, and the SEC had to do with the fact of how they sold the initial offering of XRP. Again, I got a video that covers that in depth. Go check it out. In fact, I'll link that video here at the end of this video. I'll link you to my other XRP video so you can check that out. And they've actually done a pretty good job with this lawsuit from the standpoint of this battle that XRP Ripple has actually won some of the beginning challenges and things like that having to do around this, and the lawsuit is kind of set to go to court, I think, later this summer, things like that. I can't remember the exact date. I've slept since the last time I did that video, but overall the overall market and people have not really been fazed by this particular scenario, this situation with the SEC. You got to also remember that XRP Ripple is traded on global exchanges. Okay, so it's not just a US based a scenario. Okay, so let's wrap up with a price prediction. Sorry if you can hear that. That's my dog. So there's probably somebody walking by. I've got two little Australian shepherds, and they are both about less than 20 pounds, and they consider that they think they're like Dobermans. Okay, so this is our price prediction scenario. Okay, and by the way, you can check this out. It's over on Digital Coin. Okay, so we're sitting at $1.56 currently right now. So our 2021 prediction is $2.37. Our 2022 prediction is $2.69. Excuse me. 23 is $3 and so forth. Okay, so those are your prediction as far as kind of very base predictions for the coins, for the tokens, and kind of associated timeframes. Could it do better than that? Sure, that's absolutely a possibility. Could we get pullbacks? Absolutely. But this gives you at least kind of a roadmap of where this potentially could end up and could be in these respective relative years. Okay, so let's wrap up with a few final thoughts. I just saw this. This is crazy. Look, there's a window right here, and that's what that is. So that's kind of weird. Anyway, so yeah, so a few final thoughts. I don't have a lot more to say per se on this. I've covered everything I really wanted to give you. Again, if you got value out of this, consider subscribing. Drop a like. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm here for you, just basically going to bring you these videos, and hopefully you like the content I'm bringing you. It helps you kind of navigate the waters, keeps you updated, so you're not out there having to sift through and try to find your own information. What the heck you're like? You're like, hey, what's the latest info on Ripple? I'll go check out Austin's channel. Boom, you got it. You know what's going on. You got your price predictions in play. You kind of know where the roadmap and where you're going to be and where you're going to go, and you can make accordingly go or go no decisions as it relates to getting into Ripple or XRP Ripple, Binance, Ethereum, all the other ones, you name it. I'm here for you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as I always say at the end of the video, go make some money. Let's make some more tomorrow than we have today. I'll see you down the road next video. Take it easy. Bye.